All right, these are your 8-6 notes. Yesterday we did 1 through 6 talking about kites. So today we're going to bump down to number 7. So WX is 14 and WR is 8. And it wants us to figure out what RZ is. Well, we know that RZ is the same as XR. So to figure out that red one, let's pull out this triangle. 8, 14, and we don't know. But we do know we can do A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Type that into your calculator, square root it. You end up with X equals 11.5. Let's look at number 8. In number 8, I know that AC is 38. And that's helpful, but I really kind of need to know what the two different parts of it are. So if I say 38 divided by 2, I get 19. So this little part is 19, and the other little part is 19. ED is 41. That side is 41. And we are looking to figure out what CD is. Well, look, I've got a triangle. So I'm going to pull that triangle out. Here's my right angle. I got a 41, I got a 19, and an X. So I would just say 41 squared plus 19 squared equals X squared. When I solve that, I end up with X is equal to 45.2. All right, flip over to the page behind this. We're going to start with number 11 on this page. We're just going to set this up. I know that S is the exact same as U, so if I were setting that up, I would just say 13 minus 32 equals 7x plus 22, and we could solve it. The same would be true in this one. 5x plus 23 would equal 8x minus 31. All right, how would we figure out 13? Well, we know that D and B are the same, and I can see that that kite has 4 parts. So I'll take my A part, 5x plus 14, plus my B part, it's the same as D, so it's 109, plus C, 3x plus 8, plus D is 109. And I know that the whole quadrilateral always equals 360 degrees. Let's look at 15. What do I know about this 5x minus 1 and this 2x plus 11? Well, I know they're the same. So I just set them equal to each other, and I could solve it if I wanted. All right, what about this 4x minus 7? Well, we know that one is the same. That one's also 4x minus 7. So I'm going to pull out this triangle here. And I know I got 4 corners. We know this corner is 90. So I've got my first corner, 4x minus 7. I'm going to add it to my second corner, my part, minus 23. Add that to my third part, so 1, 2, 3 parts, and a triangle always equals 180 degrees. All right, when you're done with these, flip over to the page that says 8-7. It looks like this, and take a minute and label all your different shapes. How we marked ours up, you need to mark your shapes up like ours. Like we know that AB is the same as AD, DC is the same. So any of the marks that you don't have on your paper, put those put those onto your paper. When you're done with this, you need to do IXL N2, N3, and N11.